Okay, let's take a look at Haskell programming and case expressions. So here we have a Haskell program. We have at the very top here the function declaration. The function is called party. It takes an int data type and returns a string data type. Here we have the function definition, party. We have the parameter variable food, and we have our case expression here. So you can see the syntax used and the keywords, case, of. On the left here we have the pattern to match. On the right here we have the result to output. So you can see here, if that argument that we supply the party function with food, if that value in that variable is 1, this will evaluate the true, which means this line will execute there, and that will get printed out to the screen. If this evaluates the false, because we didn't supply food a value of 1, some other value, this false line will execute. This will get output here. So let's take a look at the program, the main function. We're firstly going to output a string to the screen. We're going to get the user input with the internal method getLine, and then going to store that user input in a variable called number. Then we're going to, because this number stores a string data type, we're going to convert that string data type to an integer data type with this line of code here, and assign that number to the variable x. We're then going to supply that variable x as an argument to the party function, which will supply x will get assigned to food, and a check will occur here. If the user typed in 1, this will evaluate the true. If a user typed in anything other than 1, that will evaluate to false. So depending on which one happens, will depend on which line of code gets executed here. So let's run the program first. We need user input. Firstly, we'll type in a number 4, enter, and you can see it's not a pizza, got executed the output there, which was this line here, because this evaluated to false. Let's run the program again. With a number of 1. This time we got hooray pizza party, this line here, because this evaluated to true, and this line here got executed.